back to my channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan bossa. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite breakfast recipes, the scrambled tofu. Scrambled tofu is such an easy to prepare and tasteful recipe that you will go crazy about it. And before continuing with the recipe, if you like my video recipes and you want to receive other video recipes in the future, please take a moment to subscribe and ring the bell so you can receive all the notifications. And now let's prepare this recipe. The main ingredient of today's recipe is tofu, more specifically the soft tofu. I have tested a lot this recipe during these years. I have used different kind of tofus, but let me say you that the soft tofu gives the perfect texture to this dish. Then we are gonna add some plant-based milk, some flavors, salt, black pepper, turmeric for the color, some olive oil, and to add freshness to our dish, we will use some fresh vegetables. Start by taking a mixing bowl and use your hand to crumble the tofu into small pieces, or in alternative you can use even a fork. The regular soft tofu is juicy and has a spongy texture, as you see, which makes it perfect for the scrambled fried dish that we are cooking. Then add the flavors, some salt, some black pepper and the turmeric to give the yellow color. Add the plant-based milk. This will help the tofu to absorb more the flavors and it will make it taste even better. Afterwards, take a non-stick frying pan and add the olive oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but you at home can add more or less according to your diet. Add the scrambled tofu and fry it over medium-high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Cook it, stirring frequently until all the liquid has evaporated, like you see in here. And then now it's ready. You can serve it with your favorite vegetables. Here I'm gonna use some fresh arugula salad, some cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna slice half of the avocado. I love to add some fresh vegetables to this dish. And to add some more flavor, you can garnish your scrambled tofu with some chopped spring onions and some fresh parsley. And now it's ready. Enjoy it with your family and loved ones. This is a perfect breakfast or brunch idea ever. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.